do it real big.
So guys, if you read the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. I'm showing you guys how to make a frontal wig using a frontal and 2 bundles of curly hair. So the first step is bleaching the knots, and I'm using the BW2 bleach and developer. And you want to make sure that not foundation, but you want to make sure that the paste is as thick as possible, because this is how you get overly bleached knots, and that's not what we want. And that was the first mistake I did. So if you're here, you're probably here because of that reason, like you over bleached the knots, but that's okay because I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it. So right now I'm just applying the paste to it, and as you can see, my paste is obviously too watery, or at least not thick enough. This is my first time, so hey. So after the knots are bleached, I let it sit, and I'm gonna wash it out with Shimmer lights. And as you can see right now, I'm washing it, and that is where I begin to notice my mistake. So I'm just washing it, and I really just like, oh my god. So now I'm just gonna put the frontal on top of the head canvas, and I do not have T-pins, but I have pins or pins, whatever you use is fine. So now I'm using the marker to mark the lines or whatever, and honestly y'all, you do not have to do that, because once I begin to sew, I did not really use the lines. You're going to see that in the video. I'm just like, forget the lines. I don't think the lines really do anything, but if you feel like you need to use the lines, you can use the lines for the right placement. So it is important to, after you sew the track, cut it and use the next one. Do not try to overlap it. None of that. That's not gonna make your wig flat. And we want a flat wig. We want a right wig. If we're gonna do the wig, then we're gonna do it right. So guys, you are supposed to sew your frontal on first, but I did not do that. Me not sewing my frontal on first did not affect anything, but for future references, I probably would sew the frontal on first, so I don't have to go back and do it. So that's what you see me doing here. This step is pretty self-explanatory. You just gonna sew, and keep sewing until you get to the top of the wig.
earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. 'Cause when it all comes crashing down, I need you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. For real this time. For real this time. Like an evolve. For real this time. For real this time. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. 'Cause when it all comes crashing down, I need you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. For real this time. For real this time. Like an evolve. For real this time.
As you can see, we're at the top of the wig. We're almost done, and I'm now going to use the lash track. It is important to sew the lash track on top of the frontal. Do not leave any spaces because you do not want a gap in your wig. Sew it as close together as possible, guys, okay? So now the wig is done. Well, not done, but you know, I'm done sewing the wig, and now I'm just gonna turn it over and get ready to work. So I wet the wig, and now you see me cutting off the black part that's up under the frontal. That is very important because you don't, I think it's just self-explanatory why you have to cut that off. So now I'm just, getting the wig ready, finna pin it down so I can start, plucking and get to the fun stuff. Look at that part. Boom. Okay, y'all, so now I'm plucking it. Yes, I'm using a lash tweezer. I actually find it more easier to use a lash tweezer to pluck, and it's just better. So if y'all see me using a water bottle, don't even try to get on me because I had to make do with what it do, and I didn't have no spray bottle at the time. So I'm just taking it section by section and I'm plucking it. I'll start off with the middle section. Once I get finished with the middle section, I'm gonna do the right section, then do the left section. So now we are on to the step of fixing our overly bleached knots. So I'm using the Clairol bleach. I'll show y'all what it is in the description. And I'm using the color black, and I'm taking an eyebrow pencil. Well, not pencil, but y'all can see what it is because I don't even know exactly what it's called. And I'm just going step by step with the color, and I'm making sure I'm covering the blonde. And you have to be really careful when you're doing this because you do not want to get no black dye on your frontal. So this step took about 40 minutes. So yes, it does take time, but it's okay.
You make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. You make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, you love me shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. 'Cause when it all comes crashing down, I need you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. For real this time. For real this time.
So now I just washed my wig out, and this is what we have. And as you can see, it looks so much better. So now I'm gonna do the baby hairs, and y'all know that's pretty self-explanatory. And after I do her baby hairs, I'm just gonna take the JC Mill Edge Wrap, and y'all should really order these because look at it, look how nice it is. And after that, that's pretty much it. And now we have a wig. Boom. I hope that you learned something from this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.